Okay, this is topic C. What we're going to do is cover updating work. Just a couple of quick definitions. Actual work. This is the work that's been done by the assigned resources. How much do they actually do? So you might plan on 6 hours, but they actually do 8 hours. That's the actual work, 8 hours. Overtime work is work done beyond working hours of the regular working hours. It doesn't add to the duration or the amount of work, right? You just chose to do it on overtime. However, the resource cost will be based on the overtime rate that you set. So how does a project track actual work? So what I've got is this task view pane in the Gantt chart. I widen that pane out a little bit, and there's that add additional columns. I'm just going to click on that, and the pop-up window shows up. There's a little thing that says actual work. We're going to click on that. And when we do, you can see that the actual work is filled in on the columns. You can see the completed task. We've already got those filled in, self-populated. The other ones will show 0 until we actually do the work. In Project, there's this thing called the work table. The way you get to it is you click on View tab, click on the table group, pop-up window pops up, and there's one that says Work. Just click on that. And when you do, this is the table that appears in your view. Okay, we're going to be working with task 7, sort debris. So again, to get to the table, right, the work table is view, tables, work. Click on that, and the right view will show up. Let's change the actual to 100 hours. And check your data files. If this doesn't read right, redo remaining to 192 hours. And you should see that the work should increase to 292. Okay, to demonstrate this function, what I'm going to do is select task 11, click on the task tab, go over and click on details and just click on it. And when I click on it, then this task details forms shows up. Check the actual button. I'm going to actually set this work down to 0 hours. Now what that's saying is he actually spent 0 time doing this, the general contractor. Click OK. Then hit Next. Do the same thing from task 12 to 16. And when you do, it should show the actual work being 0 in all those tasks. Now to close that pane, all you have to do is click back up on details again. So task details, click, and it should disappear. And after you do that, save your project.